Students, now I explain the conduction part of the spark over characteristics of high voltage AC by using sphere electrode configuration assembly. Okay, so this is the water resistor. This is removed from rod gap assembly and then fixed in the sphere gap assembly. Before start the experiment. I told no, this is water resistor. You see inside the water is filling in the resistor. Okay, I fix top one. So the connection is always water resistor to high voltage transformer. Now you see here 0 position, here also 0 position. Now I adjust the gap between the two sphere assembly. By using this handle, I set the 5 mm. Here also 0 position, 5 mm gap between the sphere. So now I wear the rubber gloves, switch on the main power supply. Then press the mains on push button. Wait till the unit ready, lamp is glowing. Now the unit ready, lamp is glowing. Then press the HT on push button. Now press the increase voltage push button. The input voltage is increasing. Now you see the spark between the two sphere configuration. The spark occurs between the two. Now you want to see the breakdown voltage and then AC variable voltage. Press the memory push button. You see the voltage is 50 volt and then the breakdown voltage is 10 kV for 5 mm gap. After that you can press the emergency push button, reset push button and then switch off the power supply. After that take the discharge rod and then discharge voltage between the sphere electrode configuration and then water resistor terminal and then output terminal of the transformer. Okay, now I vary the gap between the two sphere gap. Before 5 mm, now I set the 10 mm. Here the gap is 10 mm and then here also 0 position. That is the same procedure. Okay. Now I switch on the power supply. Press the mains on push button. Wait till the unit ready, indicating lamp is glowing. Now the unit ready, indicating lamp is glowing. Now press the HT on. Now you can press the increase push button for increasing the input voltage. Now you see the spark between the two sphere configuration. Now the spark occurs, no, that is the breakdown voltage. So now you can press the memory push button. You see the voltage is 90 volt. The breakdown voltage is, that is the 80 kV. So the spark increases and then the voltage as well increases. Okay. Then press the emergency push button and then reset push button, switch off the power supply. So like that you take the reading, but before you can adjust the gap, each between every reading taken using discharge rod, you can discharge the voltage between two sphere gap and then water resistor terminal, output terminal of the